Rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis in Ayurveda is called Amavatam, a joint disorder. This Amavata is a disease that is caused due to the problems of the digestion tract according to Ayurveda and Ayurvedic science. But according to modern science, it is also called autoimmune disease. It is caused by bacteria, and also viral infection can cause this disease among people. Around the world, many people suffer with this severe disease because it is not an easy job to cure this disease so easily, because once if it affects, the patients will not be able to come out of this so easily. That is rheumatoid arthritis. This rheumatoid arthritis is caused by, according to Ayurvedic medical science, usually because of the food we intake contains some toxins, stale food, unclean food, all these. What happens is, ama is caused inside the intestine and it is sluggish. This sluggishness affects the blood and other two doshas also, and because of this, it affects the digestive system and immunity gets reduced. When our immunity goes down, the resistance of the body also decreases automatically. Because of this, inflammation starts to occur, and in turn it affects all the joints individually, causing rheumatoid arthritis to form, which is in Ayurveda called Amavatam. But there are a lot of reasons according to modern science nowadays. For example, bacterial infection and viral infection can, if we get typhoid for example, or a disease like chikungunya, rheumatoid arthritis is caused as a secondary effect of all these bacterial infection. Everybody from 30 to 80 years of age will have rheumatoid arthritis. Both ladies and gents are equally affected. No one is affected more than the other. When our immunity goes down, then this disease affects them. That's all. What are the symptoms of rheumatoid? Not just the pain. When rheumatoid arthritis occurs, the synovial fluid inside all the joints gets more stiff, and the joints get completely infected, right from the wrist and fingers, knee joint, elbow, all the joints lose their functionality and become stiff. When the stiffness increases, the joints will not be able to move freely. In Tamil, it is also called as Mudakavadam. If we are able to identify and treat this disease initially, then we can cure it completely. But if you find it at a later stage, then unfortunately, deformities will occur. The synovial fluid will become inflamed, and after a certain stage, when the oily substance is no longer viscous, the shape of the bone itself changes, and the patient will not be able to sit or stand, bend the legs. All these kind of deformities occur, and their everyday life becomes very difficult. And after a certain stage, they are completely immobilized and they cannot move out from their bed at all. Now, this severe disease is called, in Ayurvedic medical science 4000 years ago, how to rectify this disease, they have explained us clearly. In Ayurvedic medical science of Panchakarma, Podikili is the choice of treatment. That is nothing but herbs that pacify the Vata dosha. We have to take this and dry it in the shade, then make it a powder, and we have to tie it like a bag, and then we have to use it to massage slowly all over the joints. But before that, we have to make sure that we take the Vata pacifying ointments and massage the body completely to relieve the stiffness, and then when we start massaging, the inflammation between the joints slowly get reduced, and the synovial membrane also gets relaxed and pain is relieved. And we have to do this internally as well. We have to reduce the ama, that is the toxins inside the body, and increase the immunity to completely cure this disease and give them maximum stable life and a pain-free life as well.
According to Panchakarma, when you do light gentle massage, the tension in the nerves gets relieved. As a result, it becomes relaxed. If you do heavy body massage, apart from it instigate weak nerves, it also increases its efficiency. So Panchakarma is the best.